have a feeling we are on. Sima, you over there?
Speaking.
And I am here. So as you can see, we can. Well, I hope you can see, because we can see. All right, so this is Simone, and that is I over there. And we're going to get some things to fix up Simone, because she's naked on television. Now we can't have naked people on television. So we're going to get some things and set them up. And then Sim will get some things and set them up. And we have, what the help of them name, please?
Daniel.
Daniel is with me.
And Andrika.
Who?
Andrika.
And Andrita is Simone.
Drika.
Andrika.
You're deaf, you're deaf. Blindfold, deaf, if you.
And we have 1 minute, all right? So when the 1 minute start, you ready, Sima?
I was born ready.
Oh, there you go. All right, come, Daniel. Give me something. Daniel, give me something, no? And I suppose to figure out this which part this. Sima, I feel this is your hand. Yeah. Come, Daniel.
Like a foot is very small.
But this is the same size like the one we just get. So
But this tape, Andrika, this tape not good. Give me another piece.
Next time.
Fix this for me.
Daniel. Daniel. This feels different now. This. Daniel.
Yes, indeed. Boy, you don't know
Feel
what
like
you do to me, to the booty. Oh, Rudy. To the booty. Oh, Rudy. To the booty.
Come there, yes. I lost, huh? My next foot. Hold on, that doesn't put that in it. My next foot.
I think if this is
Time
a
is
hand,
up.
it should go in never mode, because sometimes I need to cover it.
I get the hand them right, but that goes up. Time up. Time up.
Leave me alone now, you cannot go on TV naked.
Time up. Time up. I put out your hands right, but I put them upside down.
Wait, let her just put on this last one, no? Perfect. As I was saying, sometimes his utterances
nearly
are
get it
so
right,
poor. Watch my abs them. Woo! Six pack.
I need to get it right. Why that over my mouth, please?
Because you need to shut up your mouth sometime. That's why I put it there to kibber them. So I was right. What is this? Is this a leg? Is that foot? Why it looks so?
Let me grab.
So we weren't far. I think I should win because of the
No,
placement of the
here why
hand.
I should win. Because I got the hands right.
My
but
hand
I
them
turned
don't say that.
but
I don't
turned
walk
them
like
the wrong
this.
way.
I don't
And
walk
then
like this.
I got the. Don't that mean
This person is like this.
Yeah, but because.
That's not me.
Well, you don't
your
get
hands
not
are
right
up.
for me. I get you
No,
right.
I got this right.
The hands were at the right spot. The torso nearly at the right spot. And that.
Can you do this for me?
Do I?
Just do this for me. The foot they're skinny.
Then I me win.
No, can't be.
Come then. Me and Daniel win. And we're going to the World
Come
Championship
drink up. World Championship of Pin the Tail and the Donkey.
of Performing Arts.
We like your chain, no?
Well said.
Your necklace, nice.
Wait.
It's nice. Very fashionable.
All right.
Come on. And it match dance too? Yes. Camouflage on your neck and that's cute. All right.
Dance.
We're just gonna,
We are hooked.
Yeah, we're just gonna go. You know sorry for them? You sorry for them? Yeah. Sorry.
What's up?
Soon come back.
Bad man. We are hooked. There's no belong.
She knows how to love me, yes indeed. Boy, you don't know what she do to me, to the booty.